Twaso akoyenim ewo ensem fufro mu ne ye twaso dia wochena eye July bosome no ne da etoso aduenu nan na chese wochena ene emfihia mako eduna pepepa kane Ghana mampani His Excellency John Fifi Atamil soto nananom ewo ensiedo enam so amampanifo edwumedie bi ahyehye so ewo ye UPSA ya enonom panifo kokudam ene kopie mu ewo dwumedie no asia sabre no eye Chancellor edema UPSA odo ekasaye ewo dwumedie nase.
That our former president demonstrated that leadership is not just about the powers one possesses, but about the character which the power is exercised. And his leadership style reminded us that the public office is a trust indeed, but not a privilege. And he demonstrated this throughout his life, one would say the short life that he led. Indeed, our former president was a good man. He was a good man. Indeed, at a time when we all thought that things were moving on, then the unexpected happened. But his legacy tells us that competence without character indeed is insufficient. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, his values resonate deeply with what I would say that the mission of UPSA. As a university, we are dedicated to professionalism and ethical education, where we believe that our responsibility goes beyond producing graduates who are academically competent, but graduates who we have to produce graduates who are professional and must have good character, leaders with integrity, as well as citizens that understand knowledge that comes with responsibility. But as we commemorate 14 years since the passing of Professor Atamils, indeed we must move beyond memory to meaning, from commemoration to actions, and from legacy to institution. And indeed it is in this spirit that I believe that UPSA will stand to explore the possibility of establishing a center for Professor John Evans Fifi Atamils. And if permission is granted, I think it will be a lasting legacy to commemorate such leaders in an academic environment which will be devoid of political association and others.